Are you drowning in repetitive tasks, spending hours writing emails, managing messy notes, or trying to piece together your daily workflow? What if you could automate the boring, busy work and claw back 10 to 15 hours of your week starting today? Let's check out the top 5 AI tools that will completely change how you work. Welcome back to NextGen Byte, your ultimate hub for cutting-edge technology and smart digital workflows. Today, we are breaking down the 5 absolute best AI productivity tools designed to save you hours every single week, so you can focus on high-impact work that actually matters. Whether you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, a student, or a remote professional, these tools are absolute game changers. Let's jump right into number 1. First up are the undisputed kings of general AI assistants, ChatGPT and Claude. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering how to start a complex report, a client email, or a video script, you can use these conversational models to generate full drafts, debug code, or brainstorm fresh angles in seconds. Claude shines with its massive context window for reviewing long research papers, while ChatGPT excels at versatile, fast, everyday multitasking. Together, they cut writing and research time in half, giving you a massive head start on any project. Coming in at number 2 are advanced meeting assistants like Otter.ai and Granola. Are you tired of sitting through exhausting back-to-back virtual calls while furiously scribbling manual notes? These AI assistants join your meetings, record audio, write real-time transcriptions, and filter out the small talk to generate clean, actionable project summaries automatically. You'll never miss an important detail again, letting you completely skip rewatching hour-long video recordings. At number 3, we have Notion.ai. If your personal notes, project databases, and team wikis are a messy digital disaster, Notion.ai fixes it instantly. It summarizes lengthy pages, structures complex data tables, and auto-generates whole project roadmaps inside your workspace with a single text command. It turns a chaotic, disorganized notebook into a streamlined, automated productivity headquarters effortlessly. Number 4 tackles visual creation, CapCut AI and Napkin.ai. For creators and professionals alike, producing engaging content and clear diagrams takes forever. CapCut AI features automated caption generation, background removal, and smart video clipping that cuts down production time from hours to minutes. Meanwhile, Napkin.ai instantly transforms plain text blocks into striking professional diagrams and visual graphics. It keeps your audience deeply hooked without forcing you to spend extra hours formatting layouts. And finally, at number 5, workflow automation powerhouses like Zapier AI and N8N. Want to automatically save email attachments to cloud storage, log new customer form submissions into a spreadsheet, and trigger instant notifications on Slack without writing a single line of code? Instead of building manual triggers, these AI automation platforms let you describe what you want in plain English, building multi-app workflows that run quietly in the background while you sleep. Stop doing manual busy work and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Which of these tools are you going to test out first today? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe to NextGen Byte for more weekly tech insights to keep you ahead of the curve. See you in the next one!